Alright guys, in today's video we will be replacing the headlights in my 1997 Firebird V6. Both headlights are cracked. I bought it like this from the guy. All it is just the LEDs on the inside, and I'll show you guys what they look like. Now guys, first gotta put the key in, turn it till the lights come on. Turn this right here. Right there, headlights come up. I'm gonna turn them off right here. Alright guys, as you can see, passenger headlight cracked and driver's head cracked. Alright guys, first thing you gotta do is come right down here, and there are 1, 2 Phillips head bolts right there, and on the other side right here there are 1 and 2. So we're gonna take both of those out. Here we go. Alright, we got a screwdriver right here, powered one, and it sets it off. And this one's already out for us. Yeah. Right. And we come on this side, and we only have another one missing. Gonna have to get those. Right. Get that out. Right here, we should be able to just pull it out. I'll show you guys when I get it out. All right. Yep, you just gotta use 2 hands and it comes right out. All right, set this aside there. All right, let's get this light out. All right, guys, almost done. We got a Phillips head right here, this one on the bottom right here. There should be another one over here, but apparently the guy didn't have it and it didn't come with the car, so I'll get these out for you guys. All right, let's do this one out right here. Use some force. Not yet. All right. Side. This one. Now this is just the frame, so once this comes off, we'll be right at the light. Like I said, there's one under right there. So let's take a screwdriver at a weird angle. Now, before this falls, I'll show you guys when I get it out. All right, right now I'm just holding the frame in. It comes right off once you get those bolts out. Set that aside. Now right at the light. Now, from here, you should just be able to pull it out. Right there. Right behind it is where you plug in your new ones. Now the ones we'll be using are the H4666 headlights. They go for all of them. Now, I'm gonna show you guys. So I unplug this for you guys. But the little gray kind of clamp right there on that right side, the little loop there is a bolt in there. I already took it out for you guys because it was a little tricky. All right, now it is completely out and the bulb is right there. Now we're just gonna unplug it. Guys, so apparently the guy who had the car before me decided he wanted to run a different setup than everyone else. So this is not what you'd see. As soon as you took off the piece before the frame and you pulled the headlight out like I showed you guys, you end up with something that looks like this, where you can just plug the H4666 headlight into, and then it'd be running perfectly fine. But the person who had mine, I'm going to put this little connector on here and run his own setup, so I'm going to work with that in a second. I'll get back with you guys. Alright guys, I found the problem. It's a day later. I had to go to a junkyard and I thought I needed the factory piece, but I didn't. He just hooked it up weird. He has this hooked up where you can run LEDs. Don't really know exactly what it's for, but it was plugged into the factory piece right here. And that's where you need your headlight plugged into. So I just took the whole thing out and tested it out, putting the regular light in right here. Works normal. This thing was just in, run that LED right there. So done with that. We come right back over here. Like I did before, like I said before, you gotta plug your light in right here, and then just put the bolts back in where you had them. I think there's 2 or 3 in the bottom. We're finna do that and show you guys when it's done. All right, guys, got the bottom 2 tight for y'all. Finna tighten up these top 2. That's coming out. Don't want them in too tight. You want to hand tighten them first. Alright. It's in there, it's not coming out. Alright, gotta show you guys how to put the frame back on. Alright, you're gonna want to get your frame, set it back in just like this. Use some force to push it back in. And just like last time, I have to use 2 hands. I'll be right back. All right, guys, and for the other side, you do the exact same thing, but just mirrored, and with you won't have to take out this piece right here because normal person wouldn't put those in there. But yeah, guys, that's how you change your pop-up headlights for your 97 Firebird V6. Now, it should be the same, like I said, for the V8, the Trans Am formula, but that's how you do it, guys. And tell me what you guys want to see next, because I'm ready to keep making projects for you guys. I'm gonna be trying to restore this car. Really like this body and interior. I cleaned the interior for you guys. Vacuumed the whole thing out, steamed it, cleaned it, and yeah, just show me what else you guys want to see. All right.